Hi everybody, what's up? Today we're going to be looking at a gramophone and integrating it with a new Bluetooth or Wi-Fi speaker system to bring sound into your backyard. To complete this project you'll need a few things. You'll need a vintage gramophone speaker system. You can find these at many antique shops, sometimes at some thrift stores. You'll need a Bluetooth or wireless speaker system, and you'll need a Wi-Fi compatible device to play music such as an iPhone or an Alexa or a Google Home system. With this installation today, we're just actually doing up two of them so we can get a dual speaker zone outside to listen to some music in the backyard. Actually, take your Bluetooth speaker and pair it with your phone so that you can get into Spotify or Apple Music or one of the other components and so forth. And then it's a fairly simple process of actually putting the speaker up inside of the gramophone base. And as you can see, it has quite an amplification effect as you go into the speaker. So it's a cool sound. It gives you that very classic early 1900s feel to your backyard, and we highly recommend it. Once again, check out this speaker system and many others on our website, www.maritimevintage.com. You can see we've got a matching gramophone over here. We've begun the setup here as well. And once again, it's very easy to do. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, please share it and like it below, and mention it to your friends. This is Duncan Gillis from Maritime Vintage saying good night, stay safe, and watch out for those Cape Breton mountain chickens. Here's a sneak peek of an upcoming video where we're going to be looking at some vintage spotlights to turn them into outdoor garden lighting.